Oh, brother, check that out. Hammertech 8/0 wire. We are going to talk about this stuff right here. And we're going to find out what's in the box. Lugs and all. Dude, a whopper, bro. Triple whopper. Crazy power wire. OFC, copper, and everything from Shok Industries Hammertech. Whoo! Full copper power wire. We're going to go over it all right here, dude. This was sent over by my friend Russell Wong, and he, I don't have no addresses on here, but we have another spool in here. We'll open that up and check it out, and we're going to look at how much bigger this is than 0 gauge and all the other sizes. I got all the other sizes, so we're going to compare it all, and we're going to talk about all the little facts in this wire. Even got the lugs to match, bro. If you got a crimper that can do something like this, that can do this right there, give me a hell yeah in the comments. That's crazy, dude. Okay, so yeah, I have this box right here. And this is, well, you know what, maybe we should open, it has all these different sizes. So we're going to compare all these different sizes, and we'll go over that. To the 8 gauge. 8/0. Jeez, monster stuff, dude. Ugh. So if you want to buy this, you can get it off of Hammertech USA or Shok Industries, their website. Jeez, bro. Jeez, bro. Damn, dog. Bro, that's crazy, dog. Woo. Loco, bro. Dude, that's an anaconda. Man, my anaconda don't want none unless you got copper, hun. Damn, look at them strands. Get that close up, Micah. Jesus, bro. POV. Glory shot. That's what I'm talking about. 30th. Let's get closer. Damn, look at this screen print. This bitch is heavy. I mean, y'all, if you know real copper wire, you know it's already heavy as shit. 183.5 millimeters squared. But yeah, this is the Hammertech Assault class. The 8/0 power cable. Shit. This is the world's largest car audio cable with the multi-strands. Did y'all see the strand count on this shit? It says it here somewhere. Hold on. There it is. 16,228 certified oxygen-free copper strands. This is insane, bro. I mean, you know, we look at this and we're like, okay, how the fuck are we going to use this? I shouldn't say fuck. We should say something. How are we going to use this, you know? Well, I think the best way to use it would be, you know, if you're at a point where you're running more than a couple of power runs, and you're looking at like already needing to run 3 runs right off the bat, this right here it's equivalent to about 3.5-ish, like 3.45, 3.85 times a 0 gauge, regular 0 gauge copper wire. So that's it. That's what's that's insane, dude. So if you're looking at already needing to go ahead and run a double or triple, you can start here with just 1 run, and you ain't got to deal with multiple strands. The Bourbon, we got 4 strands. Micah's, we got 2 strands. So who's the one that's going to need the upgrade? Micah's going to need the upgrade before me. We might have to use it. We'll figure that all out down the road, but we're going to just have it here. I wanted to show you guys just what this was all about. Check it out. Like just for example, like if you wanted to trim this shit, here's your average size leverage cutters, but obviously the Shok is above average. like what? Like what? Like, geez, dog. Man, dude, crazy. So let's open this box up right here, and then we'll go over the comparisons here. So, dude, like 3 times the oh my god. I'm not sure exactly where this is made, but the website has an incredible, and I mean an incredible description on this wire that honestly is better than any YouTube video I've ever seen. It's pretty darn good. It explains the wire itself, and very, very cool. So obviously it comes from a far away. Is it Taiwan? I think it says Taiwan. Yeah, made in Taiwan. So it came from a far place. The spool, although this spool is thick plastic. Look at this plastic, dude. I deal with plastic all the time. That's a thick plastic. Very, very strong spool. But even the Taiwan trip, we got pieces. But anyway, yeah, man, big thanks to our friend Russell Wong for letting us show this off. That was it's honestly an honor to show off how great this wire is. But yeah, there's this big. Maybe you should keep this spool kind of intact because this one's going to become a big pile of, you know what I mean? Yeah. Okay. So, geez, how much do they weigh? How much?
40 pounds of beads.
40 pounds.
40.
So Micah thinks 40. I think this thing, because he's the one who's been carrying these around too. God damn. Yeah, I cut my finger the other day. So if y'all, and we got the lugs there. Dude, even like my crimper. Now the one thing about my crimper is we don't have any dies. If anybody knows, hey, if you're watching this and anybody knows where to get a replacement die set for these right here, the crimper's done a great job. But the dies, my friend gave us this one a long time ago, and I think he lost the dies. I'm not really sure, so we don't have any dies. It'd be nice to find some that would work for maybe even this. Jeez, bro.
That's the sky high one, right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the sky high one. So if there was a die that could work for this thing, but then you also need the little plunger piece too. Jeez. And then yeah, you could solder. I guess you could seal that up and solder this. I mean, maybe, but that's a fuck ton of solder, bro. This is this lug, and this is Sky High Car Audio's 2-aught wire. It just goes right in with the sheath and everything.
Well, extra room too.
Yeah, with extra with wiggle room. So you could fit. Well, this is a big yeah. That's it right there. That's a 2-aught excellent copper cable with a 8-aught lug. Jesus Christ, dude. It's like it'd be a quarter of an inch. Huge. It's the copper in this bag make a crackhead beat you down, bro. Good God. And here's a regular, it's a CCA OFC. Oh God, that's some bad shit. Let me use a good one. The Down for Sound Superflex. Here's this Down for Sound Superflex 2-aught cable. A very, very good wire. And then here is the Down for Sound Superflex, these 1-aught. And this one is a welding cable. This one is the 1-aught gauge. I think this is Sky High. I'm not sure what that is. This one might be Sky High. But either way, yeah, these are CCA, OFC, the 2-aught Down for Sound, the 2-aught Sky High, and then your 8-aught Hammertech. That's incredible, dude. The biggest wires you can get are right here, the 2. Then you have your regular 1s and your 8. That's insane. It holds that conductor for over 3.5 of these, not the 2-aughts, but the 1-aughts. That's insane, bro. This is an incredible, man. Yeah. Put down in the comments how you think you would use it and how you would get around using it, maybe like a machine terminal. You have to get some custom ones. On the website, it does say that they had to get, or they tried to get Jim from Jim's Machine Works to do some machining stuff on it. So maybe he has something. But man, that would be the challenge, because I mean, some people like the look of lugs for certain things, and some people don't like it. So it's just kind of how you want to do it. But dude, that's insane, bro. The strands on that. Let's cut back some of the. Let's cut back some of this. Where's the little majiggy? Here it is. Yeah, I'll use this one. Okay. Oh, damn. Dude. Some bigger, it looks like some, oh no, it's just a shit ton of strands, man. Yeah. Trying to see if like the strand diameter was any lesser than, but it's kind of the same. This is the Sky high for those keeping tabs. That's insane, dude. This is a 1/0 CCA. Shoot, bro. That's crazy, bro. That's crazy, man. You got to be a nut job to need these. A base head with some with a need for power. That's crazy. So they have, as far as I know, this is the biggest car audio wire still in the entire world, and that's insane. So it's a huge thank you to Russell Wong for letting us take a look at those. That all is part of the Hammertech group. And we use the Hammertech and Micah's doors, and now they're in the back doors again. You see them here on the YouTube quite a bit. You see more Hammertech here than you see a lot of places. It's really, really cool. It's every piece of equipment we've used from that little group has been pretty good. It never shit out on us. The speakers are awesome. Those new front Neos are shit, dude. They're fucking hard. Micah tell you, hard as fuck, bro. I guess how you would use it, you would use it in the lugs. You probably have to make some custom bus bars, and you'd have to really find a good way to. I'd probably get easier to go underneath the vehicle, underneath, run the thing. I think these spools, at least on the website when we just checked, were $1,000 a pop. So if you're thinking about, how that is, it's like 3.5 times one spool of 1/0. You know what I'm saying? So if you kind of think of it like that, 0 gauge, whatever you want to call it.
It's crazy.
It's beautiful.
It's crazy.
So yeah, guys, I want to thank. Oh, dude, in this box, look at this. This is a down for sound shipping box. Oh, Lord, looks like we had ourselves an intruder. Might have munched that out. Might have had a rat. This one was sitting out in the shed in my parents' house. So this was out there for a while. Yeah, we got all these. I did a video a long time ago. If any of you guys go back on I think it's on this channel, of comparisons to all the wire, and there was a really cool. I just did a comparison video back in the day because I thought it would be cool to just talk about the different wires that I've used in the past. And, just having some fun. But you go back and find that here on the channel, man. I appreciate you guys for subscribing and following all over on Instagram, TikTok, and here on YouTube. Subscribe it. Go check out Facebook. Facebook's booming right now, man. Go check out That's Bangin' Bro on Facebook. It's doing great, and I'd love to have you follow and check out the Facebook side of the different things here or there that we do at Bangin' Bros, and here on the YouTube channels, man. So this is going to be awesome. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Put it down in the comments. What do you think you would be able to use this for? What do you think you would be able to use this for? I want to hear creative ideas because that's going to give us creativity on how we're going to use it. Kind of thought about it in the bourbon. There might be some ways. I actually have an upgrade coming up next that is going to be putting a lot more power up in here. And this might be the missing link to actually link the monsters. All right. Yeah. So anyway, appreciate you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. That's the little cutoff right there. It goes to my freaking finger, dude. Crazy. I don't have a small hand either, but shit. Man, it's like holding a python.
Dude. Like back in the day whenever you were in school and they brought the snakes and shit to school.
That's crazy, dude. We should charge to have people just model with it, just like a snake. You go to somebody,
take it to the car show and walk around with it on you.
$5 a snapshot. Mike is holding a Polaroid. That's crazy, bro.